Hello there YouTube, TechSavagepro here, and today, as you can tell, I'm going to be making another Roku secret menu video. You guys really seem to like the last one, as I now have 16,000 views as of right now on that one video, and I also have 300 subscribers. So thank you guys for getting me this far. Thank you for the support that you've given me, and here's another secret menu video. So, of course, just like the last one, you're not going to need any links or anything special. You just need your button for your TV, and you need to watch the video to follow the steps on how to get the secret menu. But for this one, it's a completely different one, as I showed you the last time, and I have a ton of other secret menus I could show you, but this one's pretty cool. I like to call this one the data screen, and you'll see why in a minute. But how you get here is by pressing home 5 times, then fast forward 3 and rewind twice. So it's like this. So it's home, 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 fast forward 3, back. And as you can tell, it brings you to a completely different screen. And like I said, it's a secret screen. And it does say so at the very, very top beside Roku TV. And it also shows the time at the top right hand corner. Sorry, I can't talk. But also it shows the build date, the version number, and there's a quick way to update your software. So if you are a Roku user, you do know that it is kind of a stupid process on like the steps that you have to do to get to the update menu. But if I just do this, I can save a load of time by just doing this little secret menu and quickly doing it. So because I am part of the Roku beta, there is a update for me, and I can choose to go ahead and do that. But also, there's other things that I can do, like there's a factory reset, which will restore my device to the way that I got it whenever I unboxed it. But there's other options along that, like cycle channel store server, so you could like refresh and change the updates of the app store that you're in. Or there's also a way that you can cycle it to where you're in a different server or a different store, so you can get different options there. And you can also change the software update server, so this may help you if there's an issue with like your device. You may get an update faster. And then of course, like I said, there's the update software button, but besides that, there's a bunch of other options, like you can see your channel store server, which one you're in, the software update server, what that's called, the MAC address for your Ethernet wireless MAC, your IP address, your uptime, power on time, power lifetime, backlit time. It's amazing. But hopefully you guys did like this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and as always, peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.